How to fix Samsung A16 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and you can see the option on your screen restart. Now click on restart and then restart your device. After restarting your device, then check your internet connection will be work properly or not. Here you can see my internet connection will be work properly. After checking the internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on battery. And here you can turn off your power saving mode. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off this button, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then reset your network settings. For reset your network settings, open General Management in Settings and then click on Reset. After clicking on Reset, scroll down and here you can see the option Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then click on it and then again click on Reset Setting. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.